looking for a classy dinner, then you should go to L.G. Smith. This is a fancy steakhouse where all celebs go for a ferocious meal in an intimate setting. So I decided to do this in a Hawaii 5-0 kind of way, and we took the boat. Entering with my girlfriend, we walked through the shopping mall with amazing stores because that's the way to get to L.G. Smith. The ambience is trendy and very classy indeed. The service was outstanding. The crab cakes from Indonesia were fabulous. The rack of lamb was phenomenal. The surf and turf was excellent. The lobster was nice and moist. Dessert was what I like to call schmazz. Sexy, yummy, and jazzy. They have an amazing wine list. The presentation was gorgeous. And the value was spot on. We had a marvelous dinner, and that's why L.G. Smith deserves a 9.2. Well, darling, I'm going home in the same boat. Ciao! Peggy Tjin, Foodcritix, Aruba. Don't forget to check out my website, peggytjin.com.